How you doing, folks? With Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 El Camino. It's a clean Texas car. It's had a complete frame off restoration. It's done a couple years back. Gorgeous car. Done in its original Camino white with black vinyl top, black interior. During the restoration they added the SS hood for the cool look. It's got the original grille and headlight bezels, all in excellent condition. Front bumper's been redone. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. It kind of bear with us. It's only about 29 degrees out today, but we happen to get a little sunshine. Tell you, it's just a very nice car. It's got the deluxe decor package with the wood grain on the tailgate. The rear bumper's been replated. All the taillight bezels look real good. All the original bed stainless is in very good condition. All original lower side moldings. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. It's got the original numbers match 327 4-barrel, which has been rebuilt. It's got factory air, power steering. It's got power disc brakes. All the trim around the door, top of the doors are original and excellent condition. See, it's very, very solid. Clean car, interior, new door panels. It's like they redid a lot of the dash trim, and dash pad looks like new. Got nice tight new headliner in it. It's got the bucket seats and a center console. See all the jams, very nice. All the tailgate, see how clean the car is down in the tailgate area. The inside, the bed's all painted. Very, very nice. Not all beat up or anything. Pretty rare to be a factory air car. 327 4-barrel. It's got factory posi rear. See, the thing fires right up. It's just a super, super nice car. The dual exhaust all the way out the back. Got a nice, factory type muffler and everything in it. Just a super, super nice car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.